Scheduling the documentary is very important because you have to schedule the people you're going to be interviewing. If you're using crew, camera guy and an audio guy to help out, you need to schedule them as well. And in general, people have full-time jobs. If you're just doing this on the side, you got to work around their schedule. So it's like, during the weekdays and the evenings. It's also, during the weekends. And, some people aren't available on the same days. So basically, you're kind of like mixing and matching availabilities of people. So always keep like a notebook and always keep a schedule just so you keep track of all this. Because, some weeks you may be, shooting every day. Weeks may go by where you can't shoot anybody. So it just kind of depends. I'm sure you're just going to be doing one documentary at a time. But with my last two documentaries, I actually shot them at the same time, where I would shoot one a couple days a week, and then I would have downtime. And then because I had 2 or 3 days available during the week, I started shooting the other one, and that worked out really good because it kind of kept up the momentum of the documentary. It isn't like, I was shooting 2 days and I'll wait in 2 weeks and shooting something else. I was able to shoot basically every day, and it kind of kept me hyped up and, really working on both of them, intensely. And that was kind of the way to do it. So I would recommend, after you do your first documentary, if you want to do another one, maybe, it's possible to shoot that, 2 of them at the same time.